In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your primary Nintendo Switch without having access to the console itself. This will work with the Switch 2 and the Switch OLED as well. But if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, begin by opening up a web browser on either a phone, tablet, or computer. It doesn't really matter which one you open it up on. And up in the top right, after you're on the official Nintendo website, go ahead and hit sign in, and then hit login or sign in again. And once again, go back to the existing users, hit sign in, and you're going to want to type in your information right here. Once you are signed in, it's going to look something like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this profile icon again. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And then from here, go ahead and select Nintendo account overview. It's then going to redirect you to a page that looks like this where you can hit account settings. And now you're going to be on a page that looks like this where you're going to want to make sure that you select user information right here. And if you scroll down a little bit on user information, you're going to see a linked apps and services page on here. Go ahead and hit edit next to that or just select it and then scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option that says primary console. I actually don't have a primary console, which is why it's not on here, but you'd select deregister primary console and you'd be asked to re-enter in your password to confirm. After confirming, click deregister one more time. And as soon as it's deregistered, the next Nintendo Switch that logs into the eShop with your account will automatically become your new primary console. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.